Patrick.
And Patrick and Squidward.
Noli Di Castro, Anchorman.
Squidward and Patrick. Yan. Okay, why? I named the Crowbar boat from SpongeBob cartoons. Okay, because the rest of the tour guide, they're using Jack Sparrow for the captain, but they use different ones. Okay, because all of them, they're using the same captain, but for me, they use different ones.
Nasama ko rin sa mga vlog din ang vlog. kayaking, but we are not allowed to swim in Sunset Lagoon. Okay, because every places in Coron, it has an entrance fee. But if you're just going to use a kayak, going there, exploring the place, then it's gonna be free. But if you're going to swim on that place, they have a personnel who's going to ask you for the entrance fee. Okay?
doon lang tayo.
Ito po yung first lagoon, yung second lagoon, nasa kabila ng limestone na yan.
So,
So, bali,
magkakayak tayo?
Starting dito, para ma-reach natin po yung second lagoon. Tapos, doon sa walang kayak, ay magsuswimming po tayo. Starting dito, para ma-reach natin yung second lagoon.
swimming
Kaya po
lang.
siya tinawag na yung lagoon kasi divided siya ng wall, pero connected siya naman yung lagoon.
Okay.
Kaya kayo tatlo. Naaba. Yeah, kayo na ate.
So, okay everyone. So, okay po ha. Okay. Welcome to our second to the last spot. This is the main lagoon. Okay. This is the first lagoon. The second lagoon is in the other side of this limestone. Okay. They call this main lagoon because it divided by the wall but connected by small tunnel. Okay. The tunnel, if it's low tide, it has a gap that we can just pass into the tunnel using a kayak or for swimming. But if it's high tide, the tunnel is closed, so that's why we have a ladder going to the other side. Okay. The water in this lagoon is also brackish water, 70% salt, 30% fresh. Okay. So that's why if you're going to swim, you can feel the thermal climb. Okay. Changing temperature. Some part is cold, some part is warm. Okay. But here, you need to be careful about your items. Okay? Like the cell phone, if you have underwater camera, you need to be careful. The water in this place will gonna be 20 to 30 meters deep. Like I told you in the morning, I can only reach for 15 meters. So but, if you want to donate something, then you can start to drop it here. Okay? This is the donation area. So you need to be careful. Okay? So here po, no life jacket, no swimming. Okay? Then especially the kayak. No life jacket, no kayak. Okay? Because it's deep, then at the same time, the kayak, it don't have outrigger. Okay, so that's why if you don't maintain the balance, you're going to flip. Ano?
Kaya nyo tatlo. Siyempre kasama nyo kayo.
Ay, magalala.
Oo, may nakikita na naman ang ang lalaki. Mami! O, so sige na kayo. Ayun, lalakad na naman. Ayun naman. O, ito, nakuha ka na. May drinks ba? May drinks ko. Magkano yan?
tumataas. Lapit lang tayo ng konti. Andun yung masinip ko lang. Grabe mo, ganda no?
Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't Don't leave me high and dry. Baby, you give
Tapos
me
lugarin yung tubig, kumana din yung tubig.
the gentle and wind and rain.
Dapat na ma-preserve nyo ito, mga ano dapat, ano? Kasi